always thought if I did the right thing, if I treated people right, then good things would happen to me. Do you think that's how it works?
All I got to say is, fuck the terrorists and fuck swag. Look, they tell me take a deep breath, take a deep breath. I need to take a deep breath, motherfucker. Just take a deep breath, take a deep breath. I need to
for the night, fuck being polite.
Last night I rocked the show, they only gave us 8 minutes, but promised us 15 after we sold 70 tickets. What the fuck? They said get off the stage, your time is up. At that moment I realized I got used for a couple bucks. I felt like running up and slapping the owner, but they kept telling me to take a deep breath, don't lose your composure. Ayy, on a real fuck, selling tickets for promoters. We do the hard work, but they sit back and say you owe us. Ain't no way I'll do it again, cause I'll be damned for you to treat us like shit and make money off my fans. They came to see us rock a show, you acting like a pompous hoe. You cut it short cause all you care about is clocking dough. Man, I'm sick of getting taken advantage of. Fuck your respect, I ain't playing, I've had enough. All this bullshit is making me stressed, so I think I need to chill out and take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. I need to take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. I need to take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. I need to take a deep breath. Just take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. I need to take a deep breath. Take a deep breath, motherfucker. Take a deep breath. They saying take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Just take a deep breath. Look, I'm sick of being a nice dude. Sick of motherfuckers judging everything I do. Sick of the double crossing, two-faced punk imposters looking for a young nigga like me to lie to. Just to get some extra pocket change, they ask you to sign your name. Homie, it's all a game. They call it a contract, I call it a ball and chain. But it's yours truly till I'm in my coffin, man. I stay true to my fans, fuck a record deal. Fuck you swag rappers, worry about your sex appeal. I'm bringing that hip-hop back. A nigga with attitude on a boom bap track. Still use fat caps on a new flat black. I'm painting your city, I'm blowing up. You see my people, bitch, I'm taking them with me. Ain't no way that you stopping us and you hating, it's obvious. I suggest you step aside and take a deep breath. Take a deep breath, take a deep breath. I suggest you step aside and take a deep breath. Look, take a deep breath, you need to take a deep breath. Buddy, take a deep breath. Take a deep breath, take a deep breath. You need to take a deep breath, sir. Take a deep breath, motherfucker. Take a deep breath, you need to take a deep breath. Sit back, relax, and take a deep breath.
Punk motherfucker. Are we on the air? Bitch, take a deep breath, motherfucker. Proud for the night, fuck being polite.
Life seems so sweet and so sad and so hard to let go of in the end. But hey man, every day's a brand new deal, right? Just keep on working and something's bound to turn up.